Hello everyone, myself Vaibhav Thombre and I am from Parvani. So today's topic is technical and my topic is the control statement in the Java. The Java provides the statement that can be used to control the flow of the Java code. That control are called the control flow statement. It is one of the fundamental feature of the Java which provides the smooth flow of the program. In the Java, there are simple three type of control flow statement. The first is decision making statement, second is loop statement, and third is jumping statement. So let's talking about in brief. In the control statement, the decision statement in that there are some types. So first is if statement. In the if statement, there are a simple if block, and if the condition in the if block is executed, then it's execute the program. The second is if else statement. In the if else statement, it's state the boolean value that is either true or false, and in that the if the value is get executed, then the loop is terminated, and in that they print the statement in the if block, otherwise it gets executed the else part. And after that there are the type if else if ladder. In the if else if ladder, there are multiple if else else if statement, else if statement in the if block. In the last there are also else statement, and the another type is a nested if statement. Nested if statement. In that nested if statement, there are multiple if else statement under the block of the if statement. The another type of the statement are the switch statement. The switch statement is the second type of the decision statement. In the switch statement, there are similar to the if else if statement. The switch statement contain multiple block of the code called the cases, and the single case is executed based on the variable which is being switched. The switch statement is easier to the instead of the else if statement. It can enhance the readability of the program. The case in that the cases are variable, can be the int, byte, short, or string type that can supported to the version 7 of the Java. In that the cases are cannot be the duplicated, and also there are one default statement, and it is an optional. In that the break statement terminate the switch block when the condition is satisfied. And the break statement also is an optional. While using the switch statement, we must notice that the case expression will be the same type as the variable, then it will be also a constant value. The syntax for the switch statement is switch under the expression, and in that the case and its value, and the statement, and after we can use the break, or in the last there are also one default statement. While using the switch statement, we must also use the expression that can be the same type of the variable. Let's see the second type, that is a loop statement. In the loop statement, there are three types. One is a for loop, second is while loop, or another is a do while loop. Let's see the for loop. The for loop is in the for loop, it is enables a user to initialize the loop variable, and that can check the condition, and in that there are increment decrement in a single line of the code. The syntax for the for loop is a for, and in the bracket there are a condition, and in the curly bracket the statement. The another type is a for each loop. The for each loop is the same as like in the array or the collection. In that the for each loop we need to update the loop variable, and the syntax is for the for loop is for in bracket data type where colon the array name or the collection name, and in curly bracket we can state the statements. The another is a while loop. The while loop is used to iterate over the number of statement multiple times. The while loop is also called as the entry control loop. When we actually not know the value under the while loop, then we use the that loop. The syntax for the while loop is while in bracket condition or in the square bracket it's a statement. The do while loop, the third type is a do while loop. The do while loop is also called like the exit control loop, and the do while loop checks the condition at the end of the loop after executing the loop statement. Let's see the syntax of do while loop. In that the do, and in curly bracket the statement, and at the end the while, and in bracket the condition. Let's see the another types, that is jump statement. In jump statement that are used to transfer the control of the program to the specific statement. The jump statement transfer the execution control to the other part of the program. There are the two type of jumping statement. The one is a break and another is continue. Let's see the break statement. As the name it suggests, the break statement is used to break the current flow of the program, and that can transfer the control to the next statement outside the loop or the switch statement. However, the breaks only the inner loop in the case of the nested loop, and the break statement cannot be used as independently in the Java program. The break statement must be used inside the loop or the switch are in the switch statement. The another type is a continue statement. The continue statement is the opposite to the break statement, that continue the statement and doesn't break the loop, whereas it's keep the specific part of the loop, jumps to the next iteration of the loop that can be immediately. Thank you.